Colors are the symbol of love. Put all the colors on the each part of the body. Let's celebrate Holi.
Spray color, spray love, be happy, enjoy Holi.
May your life be colorful as the color of Holi.
Bright colors, water balloons and lavish gujiyas are perfect ingredients of Holi.
Let the colors of Holi bring peace and happiness in your life.
Happy Holi!